Good morning. I'm Frank Lee, Director of the Macon County Emergency Management Agency in Tuskegee, Alabama. This morning, I just want to come talk to you a little bit about our COVID-19 situation in Macon County to give you some kind of update in regard to what we're doing in Macon County to provide first-class service and first-class testing for the citizens of Macon County. Several days ago, Representative Peblin Warren and I were on a telephone conversation, and we were working very diligently with the Alabama Department of Public Health and the CDC in regard to making sure that Macon County would have testing. I've been very much concerned as an emergency manager and also as a former elected official in regard to the lack of testing in Alabama's Black Belt. Many of you all know that the Alabama Black Belt runs from Macon as far west as Sumter and Greene counties. Bullock County, our neighbors next door, are experiencing the same problems. These areas are already underserved. The lack of Medicaid expansion and also the whole plight of rural health care in Alabama even adds to this situation dealing with the COVID-19 and the coronavirus. We are very much concerned about providing testing for our citizens. I'm happy to report to you this morning that on Monday morning at 9 o'clock until 2 p.m., the Macon County Health Department will be the venue for public testing in Macon County. These tests must be pre-screened. You just cannot just drive up. You have to be pre-screened by the Alabama Health Department. That number to call for pre-screening is as follows: 1-888-264-2256. 1-888-264-2256. I'll repeat it again, 1-888-264-2256. Also, in addition to the Alabama Health Department screening at the Macon County Health Department on Hospital Road, Quality Health Care in Tuskegee, Alabama, directly across from the Tuskegee Police Department, will also be doing pre-screening. We'll provide you those pre-screen numbers as we get it. The Macon County Tuskegee Medical and Surgical Care Center at the Thomas Reed Building will only be seeing existing patients. So if you are a patient of any doctor at that facility, you may call that facility and that doctor will give you details in regard to how you can get tested if you feel that you're being threatened. Finally, I would just like to remind you that I personally feel that Macon County has multiple coronavirus cases. Macon County is in a very unique situation in regards to legal addressing. We sit right in the middle of 4 counties: Bullock, Tallapoosa, Lee, and Montgomery, and even Russell County, maybe 5. A lot of our citizens have those addresses as their legal address, and when the tests are done, the Alabama Department of Public Health has a procedure of reporting those cases to our office. Where the State Health Department shows no cases in Macon County, we are aware of several that have tested positive in Macon County. We ask you to adhere to the governance that the Alabama Public Health Department has placed in our hands in regard to distancing and also public gatherings. I've noticed a lot of gatherings still that are going on in Macon County. This is really not good for our health and welfare. We have asked our churches to suspend their services, and they've done that. We ask you, please, we're pleading with you to respect this virus. It is a very serious virus. It has never been one like this in our country. It's very new. So we're actually learning day by day as it relates to mitigating it. Please join us in Macon County. Make the job easy for our law enforcement agencies. Make the job easy for our citizens. Please pay special attention to the laws and abide by them. Governor Kay Ivey has released information in regard to stores and commercial businesses closing. Sheriff Bronson, the chief and law enforcement officer in Macon County, has instructed all agencies to take heed and enforce these laws. Again, we'll bring you these updates as we get them. As information comes before us, we ask you to join and pay close attention to our Macon County Emergency Management Facebook page, where we can provide you with instant information. Again, I'm Frank Lee. Thank you very much. And we're all in this together. We're one Macon County, mitigating efforts for the safety of the citizens of this great county. Thank you very much.